I just want to quickly show you, yes, this is the counter. When this counter or timer runs out, then all the bonuses in this bonus page will be gone. Okay, so as a result, he says, pay all your bills, have fun, and live a stress-free life. He's even taking care of the majority of the work for you. People, luck is 30 done for you. As I've already stated, emails promoting 10 of the highest converting ClickBank offerings in internet marketing and the business arena. He's also included a lead capture page, which I'll show you in the members area, and how he sets it up and how you can do it yourself as well. And there's a whole traffic setup. As a result, he's given you traffic access as well. He gets a lot of his conversions from these squeeze pages that he's teaching people how to generate. And as a result, you may do the same and earn money. So, as I've previously stated, he's a 13-year veteran who understands how to build funnels. Emails are really important for getting required outcomes, which in turn lead to results. But you need to take fast action and start now. So let me show you this part here. As it is said all over, the money is in the list. If your business doesn't have an email list, how are you going to start? How are you going to sell stuff online? Let's go through here quickly. This is my page that I've got the link to where I mentioned that there's more detail. There's a video to basically invite you, and he explains more about it. And then there's a demo video below that I've put up for you to show you how to go about setting up the procedure and the money-making ticket, basically. And firstly, I want to show you the bonuses that you're going to get from me. Number one bonus is it's a hack, and it's access to SEO Studios. And SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization, getting you ranked on Google and YouTube. Bonus number two is learn how to get better conversion. Bonus number three is learn how to drive traffic to your products. Bonus number four that you're getting from me is access the high ticket mastery. These bonuses are all complementary to the product that I'm promoting here today. And you get all access to all vendor bonuses, and you just need to click here on this button, one of these yellow buttons here, before the timer runs out, to claim your copy or to secure your copy and get your bonuses. Once you've done that, from the checkout area, you'll get access to your purchase, and just below it, there's access to the bonuses that I've just shown you here. So you just click on that button and you get immediate access to these bonuses that I'm showing you. Right now, let's see what else is here on the sales page. This is the sales page here. Create unlimited articles with one click. Load countless follow-up emails. Drive insane amounts of traffic. Build trust and authority. Monetize your content intelligently. Boost conversions to the moon. Earn multiple income streams and earn high-ticket income from traffic 24/7. So what are you going to get here? Let me just repeat again. Um, he gives you 30 done for you emails promoting 10 of the top converting ClickBank offers in the online business and online marketing niche. He also includes a lead capture system tailor-made to one of these products and full setup and traffic training, and all of this for um, $12.95. You earn as you sleep. You do it ethically, do this quickly and easily, and have a lot of fun at the same time. Okay, guys, I'm going to just skim through this. I'll let you look at the sales page at your own leisure. This is Lee. He's the creator, and I'm going to get to the bonuses, and then we'll check out the members area. So each of these variations can be produced with a click of a button. Start with something that looks like this. He's going to show you a demo here. But I've got a demo there on my page for you. His bonuses are to be found inside of the members area, which I'll show you just now. I'm just skimming here over this. Here's the demo video, and yeah, just skimming over here what you can look at. Let me shoot straight to the members area. So let's check out what's inside of here, guys. It's a series of videos and also some links. Here you can download some of the emails. Firstly is welcome video, and then access to the necessary stuff. So let me just show you what some of this is all about. It's done for you emails, and you can get them loaded into your autoresponder, right? Because all you need to do is send people to your funnel, which he talks about in his intro video. But the name of the game is to get people into your funnel, and then they're going to receive daily emails from you. Then step 2 is talking about getting them into your sales funnel, and from there you can load up your autoresponders. He will show you how you can do that, and you can just do the setting up job, and thereafter it's going to be on autopilot. And that's how you're going to earn your commissions. You're going to download your emails here. You're going to download your mini articles here, and then in step 3, follow his training to get to set up your lead capture system. From here, the bonus page will automatically put other members' leads into your funnel. This has viral potential everywhere. So both in terms of building your email list and in terms of making money. So he shows you how to build a funnel with the software, and he's going to show you Shuffler. This is a page building program that you can get access to. Shuffler will cost you $18.95, but you can get it for $14.95 if you use my link in the description. Shuffler is all about creating unique to you viral traffic funnels and targeted email um, lists on autopilot. So, or you can opt in to get freaky funnels so you can build an email list from other people's efforts. There's freaky funnels. You can grab it here with this link, and then it shows you how to create your capture page. Video 2 is about the emails. Anyway, and the rotator part in part B. And let's see. Where are we now? I've lost my place. Just bear with me, please. Uh, you can grab it right here with the link, and then he shows you how to create a capture page. Video 2 is about emails and Rotator part B. So this is about setting up your autoresponder right here. I myself also use GetResponse. It's a great autoresponder uh, email provider. You will be able to grab your free rotator right here as well to get to drive free traffic. This is an hour-long video, and there's loads of information in here. He talks about how to use TikTok to your advantage. There's the front end of and the OTOs with lots of value. As I've said, this is an hour-long tutorial where he teaches you all kinds of ways to get free traffic, and then many articles and finished posts. Below part B is a link for free spin tags. Where is it now? For free spin tags, the free spin tags tool, and then reinvest profits that you've earned to drive paid traffic. So once you're able to get some organic traffic, get some sales from that, and then put a portion of your profit into paid ads so that you can scale up in no time to make more profits, and just keep doing that by rinsing and repeating. Instant payouts means more traffic faster. So you set your work schedule, and he's got a 15-15 method for you that you can try out. And then in video number 7, it's keep coming back. So see all the Luck 1 additions here for WordPress resources, and then putting it all together. In video 9, this is the conclusion, and here are the bonuses. Free bonus, how I make $500 each from simple YouTube videos, and how you can too. You're going to access it here. Viral leads and $100 instant payments, which can really change your life, right? So as you can see, there's a great deal of value here. So let me show you the bonus, my bonus page, and where the upsells are, OTOs. Okay, so the front end is going to be $12.95 for all of that. In addition, you're going to get all of my bonuses and Lee Murray's bonuses as well. And then upsell number 1, the email club liquidation at $47, which includes 70 done for you evergreen Rotator emails. So you can use them anytime. They're still going to be converting, plus high converting lead capture sets. So on top of getting the 30 that you would have with the front, that you get with the front end, you're going to get another 70. And then number 2 is Kit 4plex at $47, includes 120 specialty emails, high ticket clickbank, recurring traffic products. Upsell number 3 is a mega pack duo for $67 and includes email slick 2, slick to enter the niche 2, and so on. So there's 5 upsells all in all, and the last one goes for $197. So let me summarize some of the things you're going to be getting with luck number 1. It's going to create unlimited articles, load countless follow-up emails, drive insane amounts of traffic, build trust and authority, monetize your content intelligently, boost your conversions, and earn multiple income streams on autopilot 24/7. There's a quick
Hey,
preview
hey,
of
sorry
the
for my lack of
demo.
humility. This is so much fun for me. I'm passionate about it, and I haven't seen too many people um, who can do what I do. So, this is what that article that you, or the not the article, the paragraph you just read looks like. Look at this. This is three. Is it 3 pages? Yeah, 3 pages for one paragraph. It's that heavily spun, and that's what it looks like before I rendered it for you. And the difference between this and the actual mini articles that you're going to get is that this doesn't have HTML formatted in it. So, I'll be underlining words for you, italicizing, bolding, hyperlinking, centering, H2 tagging. Like your article is going to look fantastic every single time. But if you just want to see like some plain boring text here and see how I got to where we were in that paragraph, let me just come on over here to our spin text tool, and I just paste all of that monstrosity in there, and then we spin it, and that's what we get. Nobody's capable of spinning articles like me. It's what I do. Want some proof? I've got a
So all you need to do is the front end work to set it up, and then you can just let the system continue to do all the work while you're doing anything else you like eating, sleeping, whatever you like to do. I hope you've learned something about luck number 1 in my review. And if you did, please use my link in the description below the video here to get your bonuses together with the other bonuses as well. Thanks for watching and best of luck on your journey with making money online. Take care, and until next time, see you in the next one. Cheers.